Now that module is right underneath this carpet right here. But first, you need to remove this right here. Be careful when you pull this out. There's a little clip behind this rubber right here. You just have to take it easy on it so you won't tear up the rubber. You can see it right there. There's a torque screw underneath there. Just need to remove that. Now there's two little clips that's holding this up. After you remove the torque screw, so just gently pull it down. At this little tab right here, you press it down and then pull it out. Don't bother trying to take this little connector out. Just go ahead and twist this one and just remove it. Now just pull the carpet back. Now there's three 10mm bolt holding this little plastic on. One right there. You can see from the bottom. There's another one right there. There's one right there. You need to remove these 3 bolts. I just take this cover off. That right there, where they hide the auxiliary battery, or I would call it control module. I don't know why they call it auxiliary battery. Or it is just a relay. There's a 10mm bolt holding on to this module. Just remove that. See this little clip right here? Just use a flathead screwdriver, a small one, and pop that lock off. And then you press it down. This little tab right here, kind of wiggle it out. This is what they call auxiliary battery. It's not even a battery. It's like a relay, some kind of relay. But anyways, this is what I got from Amazon. Basically the same thing. Looks identical. Now reinstall a new part. Once it click, and then you push this tab right there to lock it down. Reinstall the cover. Push the carpet back. Reinstall the cover. Reinstall the sensor. This little rubber right here goes inside this little clip. Right there. That's it. That's how you replace auxiliary battery. Thanks for watching.